Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and color fill. Kids, yellow color, blue color, brown color, orange color, red color, light green color, pink color, light pink color, sky blue color and pink color. Kids, shapes drawing, green color, heart. Moon, triangle, hexagon, cloud, sun. Kids, color fill, light pink color, heart, sky blue color, moon, light green color, triangle, brown color, hexagon, red color, cloud. Kids, red color, cloud, black color, sun, black color, sun, heart, moon, triangle, hexagon, cloud, sun. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.